How to fix Facebook pixel problem on your Facebook account. Today guys, I'm gonna show you and share with you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps. And on apps guys, what you should do right now, just you will go directly to Facebook, and when you found the Facebook app, just open it like this, then go to storage and then go to clear data like this, then click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.